Hello students, let's do some more important questions from the chapter vectors. If vector A and vector B are unit vectors, find the angle between vector A and vector B. Given that vector root 3 into vector A minus vector B is a unit vector. A and B are unit vectors. What does this mean? This means the magnitude of both the vectors is 1. Now, the magnitude of this vector root 3 into vector A minus vector B, the magnitude of this vector is also 1. We have to find the angle between vector A and vector B. बच्चे vector A dot vector A equals to vector A के magnitude का whole square. Now, vector root 3 A vector minus B vector magnitude का whole square is equals to 1 square. We have squared both sides. Now, this whole square can be written as root 3 into vector A minus vector B dot root 3 into vector A minus vector B equals to 1. Root 3 into vector A into root 3 into vector A dot root 3 into vector A minus root 3 into vector A into vector B minus vector B dot root 3 into vector A and plus vector B dot vector B, and which is equals to 1. Now, we know that vector A dot vector B and vector B dot vector A both are equal. Vector A dot vector B is equals to vector B dot vector A. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Vector A dot vector A is A के magnitude का whole square minus root 3 into root 3, 2 root 3 plus root 3 to root 3 into vector A dot vector B plus B के magnitude का whole square is equals to 1. Magnitude of A and B is 1. We have 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 root 3 vector A dot vector B plus 1 is equals to 1. Now, we have 3 plus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 equals to 2 root 3 into vector A dot vector B. What is vector A dot vector B? Vector A dot vector B is equals to 3 upon 2 upon root 3, that is root 3 by 2. Now we have to find the angle between vector A and vector B. Cos theta equals to vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of vector B. So cos theta is equals to root 3 by 2 upon 1 into 1, that is 1. So what is theta? Theta is 30 degree or pi by 6. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by. If vector A equals to xi cap plus 2j cap plus zk cap and vector B is 3i cap minus yj cap plus k cap, we have to first find the value of x, y, z. Since vector A is equals to vector B, what does this mean? It means the component of I cap are equal component of j cap and k cap are also equal. Now, on equating these two vectors, what do we get? X is equals to 3 minus y is equals to 2. It means y is equals to minus 2 and z is equals to 1. What we have to find? We have to find the value of x plus y plus z. Now, x is 3 plus minus 2 plus 1. That is 2 is our answer. Write direction cosines of vector let. This is vector A, 2i cap plus j cap minus 5k cap. We have to find the direction cosines of this vector. Minus 2, component of j cap is 1 and minus 5. These are direction ratios. Direction ratios are minus 2, 1 and minus 5. What we have to find? We have to find direction cosines. For this, what we have to find? We will find a cap, that is unit vector of A. which is equals to 2i cap plus j cap minus 5k cap upon magnitude of vector A minus 2 whole square plus 1 square minus 5 whole square. A cap is minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 5k cap upon 4 plus 1, 5 plus 25 root 30. A cap is minus 2i cap upon root 30 plus j cap upon root 30 and minus 5k cap upon root 30. Now the direction cosines of vector A are minus 2 by root 30, 1 by root 30 and minus 5 by root 30. Write the unit vector in the direction of vector A, 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. We have to find a unit vector A cap, which is equals to vector A upon magnitude of vector A. Vector A is 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap upon magnitude of vector A is 2 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 whole square. 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap upon 4 plus 1 plus 4 root 9, which is equals to plus minus 3, but we take only positive value because magnitude is always positive. Therefore, our unit vector is 2 by 3i cap plus 1 by 3j cap plus 2 by 3k cap. Write a unit vector in the direction of sum of two vectors, vector A and vector B. What do we do? First we will find the sum of vector A and vector B, that is 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap plus vector B is minus I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. 2i cap minus I cap minus j cap plus j cap plus 2k cap plus 3k cap. We have I cap minus n plus j cap is cancelled plus 5k cap. Now this is vector C. We have to find a unit vector C cap, which is equals to vector C upon magnitude of vector C. I cap plus 5k cap upon under root 1 square plus 5 ka whole square, that is I cap plus 5k cap upon root 26. So our answer will be 1 by root 26 I cap plus 5 by root 26 k cap. P and Q are 2 points with position vectors 3a vector A minus 2 into vector B plus vector A plus vector B respectively. We have to write the position vector of point R, which divides the line segment PQ in the ratio 2:1 externally. As per our section formula, if P and Q are divided by a point R externally in the ratio m:n, then what will be our formula to find the vector R? It is m into position vector of Q minus n into position vector of P upon m minus n. Now our ratio is 2:1. What we will do? 2 into position vector of Q is vector A plus vector B minus 1 into position vector of P minus 2 times vector B upon 2 minus 1. This is 2 into vector A plus 2 times vector B minus 3 times vector A plus 2 times vector B upon 1. We have minus vector A plus 4 times vector B. This is the position vector of point R, which is dividing P and Q externally in the ratio 2:1. Find lambda. so that vector A and vector B are perpendicular to each other. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, what does this mean? This means that their dot product is 0. Now we have vector A 2i cap plus lambda j cap plus k cap dot vector B is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. I dot I is 1, I dot j 0, I dot k 0. We have 2i cap into I cap. 2, I dot I is 1. Lambda j cap into minus 2j cap. We have minus 2 lambda plus k cap into 3k cap is 3. K dot k is 1. This is equals to 0. 5 minus 2 lambda is equals to 0. 5 equals to 2 lambda and lambda is 5 by 2. Find sum of vectors A, B and C. Vector A plus vector B plus vector C. I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap plus minus 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap plus I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. Now, component of I cap is 1 minus 2 plus 1 I cap plus j cap component is minus 2 plus 4 and minus 6 j cap plus component of k cap is 1, here it is plus 5 and minus 7 k cap. 1 plus 1 minus 2, 0 I cap. Minus 8 and plus 4, minus 4 j cap and minus 2 k cap. 6 minus 7 minus 1 k cap. So our answer will be minus 4 j cap minus k cap. This is the sum of three vectors. Find scalar component of vector AB with initial points A and B. Now, vector AB will be position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B will be minus 5i cap plus 7j cap minus position vector of A will be 2i cap plus j cap. So position vector of AB will be minus 5i cap minus 2i cap plus 7j cap minus j cap. That is minus 7i cap plus 6j cap. What we have to find? We have to find the scalar component. What are scalar components? Minus 7 and 6. If you have to find vector components, that will be minus 7i cap and 6j cap. These are vector components. Minus 7 and 6 are scalar components. For what value of A? The vector 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and ai cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap are collinear. But if we have two vectors, vector A as a1i cap plus a2j cap plus a3k cap and another vector B, b1i cap plus b2j cap plus b3k cap, and it is given that vector A and vector B are collinear. If this is given, what does this mean? This means the component of I cap, j cap are proportionate. A1 upon b1 equals to a2 upon b2 equals to a3 upon b3, which is equals to some scalar quantity lambda. Now, in this case, vector A is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and let this is vector B, ai cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. Both these vectors are collinear. It means 2 upon A equals to minus 3 by 6 equals to 4 by minus 8. This is 2 upon A equals to 1, 2, 1, 2. Minus 1 by 2, What will be the value of 2? Oh, a. Minus a equals to 4 and a is equals to minus 4.